Good morning, friends! How are you all doing this Tuesday morning? House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is ready to vote on the new infrastructure bill and move forward without progressive lawmakers' support. Welcome back to my channel. This is the latest news and information on the fourth round of stimulus checks and fourth stimulus package. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter this Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. A major component of President Biden's plan to raise revenue to pay for his trillions of dollars in new federal spending is now under fire from trade associations across our country. The Biden administration has made it very clear its plan to beef up IRS auditing by expanding the agency's funding and power. Biden's latest proposal would require banks to turn over to the Internal Revenue Service bank account information for all accounts holding more than $600. In a pushback against the proposal, more than 40 trade associations signed a letter to U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy, raising the alarm about their plan. The letter, which includes the support of several banking coalitions, calls on Congress to reject that requirement, saying it violates customer privacy and would create an incredibly expensive and elaborate reporting requirement for the bank. Biden proposed giving an extra $80 billion to the Internal Revenue Service early this year for auditing, saying the agency would more than make back those funds. House Democrats have so far indicated they plan to fulfill that request. So friends, what are your thoughts on this component of President Biden's plan for everyone? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi told Democrats that the passage of the $550 billion infrastructure bill must not wait for President Biden's multi-trillion-dollar safety net bill.
Yesterday, Senate Democrats blocked a vote on a clean government funding piece of legislation. Senator Shelby and I put forward legislation that could pass the Senate easily and keep the government open. We were ready to avoid a shutdown, get urgent relief to Louisiana, help vetted Afghans who helped America, and continue supporting Israel's Iron Dome, which saves innocent lives. Senate Republicans were ready, and House Democratic leaders say they'll act on whatever CR we send them. But Democrats blocked the Senate from even considering our legislation. Instead, the Democratic leader held a vote that he knew would fail on a bill he knew was a non-starter. Game playing instead of governing. So look, Mr. President, for more than 2 months, Republicans have explained that the unified Democratic Party government will not get bipartisan support for a debt limit hike while they write a partisan taxing and spending spree behind closed doors. It's as simple as that. Bipartisanship isn't a light switch that Democrats can switch on when they need to borrow money and flip off when they want to spend money. If Democrats want to use fast-track, party-line procedures to ram through trillions more in inflationary socialism, they'll have to use the same tools to handle the debt limit. They've known this for more than 2 months. I made it perfectly clear 2 months ago. The debt suspension that expired in August covered all the debt that had been actually accumulated by that date. Let me say that again. The debt suspension that expired in August covered all the debt that had been accumulated by that date. This is an argument not about the past.
Saying the larger package is not ready for a vote. In a private caucus meeting, Pelosi said the party must make difficult choices because the dynamics have changed and Democrats have not yet agreed to a spending level. The remarks represent a significant reversal for Pelosi, who vowed in June that the House ain't going to vote on the infrastructure bill until the mega bill has passed the Senate. The development indicates that the vote on the Senate-passed infrastructure bill is likely to happen in the House on Thursday, whether or not there is a deal on the separate bill by then, which progressives have demanded to win their votes for it. But it's not clear that the infrastructure bill can pass the House, even if Pelosi calls the vote. Progressive House Democrats have threatened to vote down the infrastructure bill if the vote is held Thursday, before the mega bill is completed, fearing that centrist Democrats would seek to shrink or kill the larger bill if the bipartisan infrastructure measure passes. Everyone, the key word for this video is LEAF. If you would like to enter my $100 gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this Friday, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment below the key word. Thank you so much, everyone. She said the House and the Senate would need to agree on the bigger bill before a vote could be held. That is a tall order, as party leaders have yet to resolve a host of differences among Democrats, who have wafer-thin majorities in the House and the Senate over policy and price tag. They have no realistic hope of winning Republican support for the package. Despite her progressive roots, Pelosi has a history of protecting centrist members who tend to represent swing districts and therefore decide whether Democrats hold the House majority. Her new position comes as centrists eager to go home and campaign on a significant bipartisan achievement clamor for a vote on the infrastructure bill. The battle over the $3.5 trillion price tag centers on Senators Joe Manchin of West Virginia and Kristen Sinema of Arizona, centrist Democrats who have insisted that it be reduced. Joe Manchin, asked by NBC News, declined to say whether he would be comfortable with a $2 trillion spending level. He called for means testing and adding work requirements to benefit programs, as well as reducing qualifying income thresholds. Joe Manchin also indicated that he would not be moved to support a bigger reconciliation bill if House progressives vote down the infrastructure bill this week. He stated that he believes it will pass eventually, if not this week. Democratic leaders face a towering challenge to achieve a deal on the mega bill by Thursday, which would unlock progressive votes to pass the infrastructure bill. Biden spoke Monday with Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. The White House said the three leaders agreed on the need to continue work on advancing the two pieces of legislation that represent the president's vision. Friends, thank you so much for being here this morning. I truly appreciate every single one of you for watching my video. And if you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, also like this video, and comment below the key word for this video. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Tuesday.